Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is a little chit chat. Okay, as well, for those of you all who watch my channel regularly, you know I recently started a new hobby, which is diamond painting. So it's been about almost exactly a month now. Now I've completed about maybe 7 diamond paintings. And a couple days ago I was blessed with 3 Diamond Art Club diamond paintings. And I want to tell you all the differences that I've found in the paintings that I've been doing. They come from Amazon and Temu, so whatever brands they use. They also sell Diamond Art Club, but I never had a premium diamond painting before until I was blessed with 3 of them. So this is the one I'm working on now, and I've found a bunch of differences, y'all. Okay, starting with the way the canvas itself feels. It's so nice and smooth. The back is smooth, like it's very, very smooth. Okay, and the edges are scalloped. Look at that. Even though when I finish this, I'm gonna cut the edges off, but look at how it looks. Okay, when you peel this sheet back, the ones I've been working on, you know, it's always a sticky border all around the picture. This ain't sticky at all, y'all. Okay. Also, the symbols and letters and numbers on here are so nice and clear. When you place your drill on each symbol, the drill actually covers the complete symbol or letter or number. You don't see none of the letter or anything sticking out, as opposed to what I've been working on. And it looks like there's enough space. I don't know how they do it. There's enough space between drills so it's not crowded. Nothing gets crowded. Something else I noticed in the drills themselves, this comes with AB diamonds. What's that stand for? Well, y'all know the AB, the shiny ones, the glittery looking ones. They're all up in here, y'all. The drills themselves have more facets. I mean, they got more little cuts to catch the light. And what else? And this company gives you so many colors, so it'll be a lot of shading and highlighting. Just like on a real painting, you have to shade and highlight. But, and what else can I tell you about it? Okay, let me see. So many of these drills have colors I've never seen before. What is this? Number 49. I've never seen these colors before. You got colors I've never seen before. Beautiful, nice, vivid colors. It came with stickers. So I'm going to turn this around and show y'all what I've been doing. How I kitted up. I want my camera to fall. Okay. Okay, I bought this tray just to work on my large diamond paintings. This is a tray organizer. Got it from Amazon. It came overnight. Okay, and it came with the trays. So what I did, after I kitted up in this here. I put the beads in here and always number. The bottles stay numbered. So I always go according to the numbers that's on the legend. And then I took those stickers off that come with it. I already used all the beads in this tray. Put the stickers on here so I know which color goes with which number and which legend. So I had the beads in here already. I used all those. Then I went on to the next one. This is number 2 tray. And they got the legend on there. Let me go to one that got some dots or something. Well, that's 4. Well, anyway, that's 5. Okay, here's one. This is number 6 on here. And so I put the number 6 beads in here, some of them. And this is the symbol that goes with number 6. So I've already used all the number 6s on my painting. So I filled up most of these trays already. And it makes it go so fast, y'all. I ain't got to stop and dump out stuff into a tray. Everything's already in trays. Well, most of them. I didn't do some of them down here. And this is the big tray I had. I put this gorgeous color in. So I'm going to work on this next. So when I pull out a tray, I just completely finish that whole color. I think I like doing that better. Okay, these are the trays that came with Diamond Art Club. So these are larger than the ones that came with the tray organizer. It's a little bit larger. See the difference? They look the same, but it's a size difference. So this is how I will be kitting up. This system works for me. So I think it's 32 or 36 trays and slots, plus you can store stuff on top. So I use my light board, and I didn't need it yesterday. That was early this morning. I didn't need the light board because it was light enough in here. Okay, somebody asked me about the labels that came with the Diamond Art Club. These labels, you can stick these on your bottles. Stick them on there. But in my case, I stuck them on the side of the tray. And I believe if I'm going to save any of these drills, then I'm going to re-stick them on the bottles or the baggies, because I've been dumping all the other beads in a Ziploc bag, just dumping them all together. But the quality of these beads are so much better. And yes, I have a whole bunch of the other diamond paintings from other companies, from Amazon. I'm going to do all of them, and I'm going to love all of them. Something else that I found some parchment paper in my cabinet. I used to run a bake shop, y'all. So I got a box of parchment paper sheets. And this works. This works very well. Like when I pull the cover back, I just stick this on. And if I'm working on something over here, my arm ain't leaning in the, the glue. And something else I want to tell y'all. Oh, the quality of this plastic. I mean, you don't even need no cover minder. I mean, it'll stay back. But the other stuff that come with them other diamond paintings, you better use something. And this came with cover minders. Each one comes with a cover minder. I want to show y'all what I used to use for my cover minder to hold that plastic back. And I don't see one. Basically, it was a blob of dirty pink wax that had been used. So I would take the blob, stick it there, and hold back my cover on the other ones. So there's a big difference in the premium diamond paintings and the other stuff I've been buying, but I can get much more of them. Price point. So the saying is true, you get what you pay for, but you're still gonna wind up with a beautiful piece of artwork. So that's all I want to point out to you. And I'm still trying to find the perfect stuff to put in my my pens. Right now I got the glue dots in here. I had the earthquake putty. It worked okay at first, and then it started getting hot in the house, or the putty got hot or something, and it got real sticky and stringy and messy. So this is what I got in here now. I'm not really too satisfied with it. So I just came from Dollar Tree. I bought some double-sided tape. I'm going to try to stick that down in here to see if it works. And what else? Oh. I don't like the pink wax at all, the little squares. And I had bought a big thing of it, different color waxes, just like the pink wax. I was so happy to get it. I don't like that at all. It will work, but it's not good. And what else I want to show y'all? Okay, I bought some pop dot tape. I guess it's like the glue dots. $1.25. So I'm hoping it works. So far, the glue dots have worked better for me than anything I've gotten. So I'm still waiting for my, what's that, knick-knack patty wax to come. It should be here maybe tomorrow or Monday. So I'm gonna give it a try. And I've heard about the Loctite or the blue tack. I haven't tried those yet, but so far the micro dots have been working pretty good, but I want something better than this. So I'm going to try this next, a double-sided tape. So that's my little chit-chat for today. And I want to thank you for watching. I'm going to leave a link to this tray organizer in my description box because I think it's very nice. And these things here, they didn't come with the stopper, so I saw somebody had made stoppers, so I made them too out of the little squishy thing that goes on your pen. Just cut it and put it in there, and that stops the beads from going everywhere. Very nice. Okay. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.